Bullish Doge value forecast is 8 cents to 57 cents. Dogecoin cost could likewise reach $1 soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. In Dogecoin cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Doge to examine the future development of the digital currency. Dogecoin current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Dogecoin is 6 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $801,906,859 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Doge has expanded by almost 7.8% as of now. Besides, Dogecoin has a coursing supply of 132,670,764,299 Doge. As of now, Dogecoin exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, FTX, and KuCoin. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a distributed and open-source digital currency. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. This presents less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to deal with a block, while in Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla President Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his perpetual help for it appears to speed up critical cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Dogecoin spread out the falling wedge pattern. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which interfaces the highs and the lower pattern line which interfaces the lows unite downwards. The wedge design overall demonstrates a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example shows a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. From the above graph, we can decipher that the energy of the downtrend is dialing back. At present, Dogecoin is in the scope of 6 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the opposition levels of 6 cents and 8 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Doge might tumble to 5 cents. Dogecoin backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. From the above day-to-day time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Dogecoin. The graphs show that Dogecoin has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at 57 cents. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Dogecoin could plunge to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Dogecoin value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Dogecoin is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Doge lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Dogecoin is displayed in the diagram above. Outstandingly, Dogecoin cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is totally in an upturn. At present, Doge has entered a bullish state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Doge whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the Doge is 57.85. This implies that Dogecoin is in an overbought state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of Doge might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Dogecoin value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Dogecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Dogecoin. Presently, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 41.7378 and hence, it shows areas of strength for a. The above outline likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of Dogecoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Doge lies over 50, demonstrating high instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Dogecoin is at 57.85, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Doge with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. From the above graph, we can decipher that the cost activities Doge is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Doge additionally increments or diminishes individually. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Dogecoin could likely accomplish $2 by 2023. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Dogecoin could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Doge could energize to hit $3 by 2024. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Doge would mobilize to hit $4. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. If Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Doge would revitalize to hit $5. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. If Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Doge would revitalize to hit $6. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2028. Dogecoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Doge would hit $7 in 2028. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, it would observe significant spikes. Doge could hit $8 by 2029. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Doge for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Dogecoin could hit $9 by 2030. And, with non-stop upgrades in the Dogecoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Doge. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Dogecoin in 2022 is 57 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Dogecoin cost forecast for 2022 is 4 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Dogecoin biological system, the presentation of Doge would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $1 assuming that the financial backers accept that Doge is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin network was a fork of the Litecoin. 2. Where might you at any point buy Dogecoin? Dogecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, FTX, and KuCoin. 3. Will Dogecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Dogecoin stage, Dogecoin has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Dogecoin? On May 8, 2021, Dogecoin arrived at its new all-time high of 73 cents. 5. Is Dogecoin a wise interest in 2022? Dogecoin is by all accounts one of the top